Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD mouse lag, slow and jerky movement. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your mouse movement in AutoCAD feels slow, jerky or lags while drawing, the issue is often related to graphic settings, display drivers or drawing complexity. So here are the most effective fixes to try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So fix number one is to update AutoCAD. So install the latest updates for your version of AutoCAD, as Autodesk releases performance improvers and bug fixes pretty often. Fix number two is update your graphics driver. So outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common cause of jerky cursor movements. So we need to come over, do a search for device manager. And then from here, we want to go ahead and expand display adapters, and then just go ahead and right click on your graphics driver and click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers, and if there are any drivers that you need to update, go ahead and update them. Now next fix is to try is disable grid snap. So if the cursor jumps between points, we want to go ahead and press on F9 to turn snap mode off, and then ensure grid snap isn't enabled accidentally. Next fix is to go ahead and check your mouse. So try using a different mouse or connecting it directly via USB instead of a hub or a docking station, and try replacing the batteries if it is wireless as well. Another fix we can try is basically go ahead and restart AutoCAD. So go ahead and save your work, restart, and then restart your computer as well. So a simple restart can clear these temporary glitches that cause cursor lag.